Random's fact about volcano. 1. Most volcanoes are underwater. Around 75% of Earth's volcanic activity occurs underwater, along mid-ocean ridges, where tectonic plates are pulling apart. 2. Largest volcano. The largest volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, which covers an area of about 5,271 square miles, 13,678 square kilometers, and rises about 33,500 feet, 10,210 meters from its base on the ocean floor to its summit. 3. Volcanoes can be active, dormant, or extinct. Active volcanoes have erupted recently. Dormant volcanoes haven't erupted in a long time but could still do so, and extinct volcanoes are not expected to erupt